Hi guys, welcome to today's training. Today I'm going to show you how you can create table of contents in Google Docs. Alright, so this is a Google document and I have a little bit of text here. So the first thing to do is to highlight this, and this is the title. Let's change this to title. Normal text, let's change this to title, and let's highlight this and change this to subtitle. Alright, so we move on to this chapter 1. Highlight chapter 1 and let's give it heading 1, and then let's leave this chapter 2, change it to heading 1. So let's move on to chapter 3. Chapter 3 has 3 subsections, so let's change this to heading 1, 2. So as I said earlier that chapter 3 has 3 subsections, so this is the first subsection and we will change this to heading 2. Second subsection, heading 2, and the last subsection to heading, change it to heading 2. Okay, this is a different text entirely. Alright, so after doing this, we have the topic, subtitle, and then chapter 1 to 3, which we changed to heading 1. So place your cursor here, go to insert menu, click on insert menu, scroll down to where table of contents is. Okay, so now we have 2 options, one with page numbers and the other with blue links. So you can select any one you would like to go for, but in this tutorial we'll be going for the one with blue links. So click on the one with blue links, and now we have our table of contents with blue links. Yeah, this is quite interesting. Okay, so now you can click on any of these and to take you to the exact page where this is. So now we have chapter 1, 2, 3. Let's click on chapter 1. You can see that it has taken us to where chapter 1 is. This is quite interesting. So we have chapter 3, and chapter 3 has 3 subsections. Let's take one of the subsections, click on learn new technologies. It has taken us to where this is exactly. So this is an interesting feature in Google Docs. An additional thing is that you can click on show document outline, which is at the left pan of this document, and to display everything we have as the table of contents. So we have this, you can click on any of these and it will take you to where you have this in your Google document. So let's try chapter 2. You can see that it has taken us to chapter 2 in our document. An additional thing is this last test, chapter 3 has 3 subsections, so you can use hyperlink in Google Docs. So let's highlight chapter 3 and then highlight chapter 3 and then go to insert link. So click on insert link and you can see here that we have different links. So let's link it to chapter 3. Click on chapter 3. Yeah, so when you click on this, it will take us to chapter 3. So this is quite interesting. This is how you can create table of contents in Google Docs. I hope you like this video. If you do, let me know in the comments below what you think. Give me a thumbs up, share my video, and please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.